nag-combine na siya. And that's how Josephine's Backyard Steakhouse was born.
Pwede niyo po ba kaming kwentuhan about sa background po ninyo? Paano po kayo nag-start? Namana niyo po ba yung cooking skills niyo? Ganun?
No, hindi Kasi sometimes, wala siya sa family, di ba? It's like more like a destiny. Oo, diga? Oo. You know, everyone can cook. Pero kung sino talaga yung may calling na sa ganong path, yun siguro. But way back, when I was a little bit, I used to enroll sa pero hindi siya nag-push through. Gawa ng I got pregnant. So, syempre, passion ba or yung baby? Baby ang aking uunahin. Yeah, my greatest blessings, my kids. But I am cooking as a mom. I do cooking. Hindi lang siya, syempre, kids and my family lang yung nakaka-experience ng ating niluluto. Yung passion, yung steakhouse, kasi yung husband ko, he's a steak enthusiast. Though nagluluto naman talaga kami niyan. During that time, tinitingnan ko siya ng masama nag-lunch kami kasi sabi ko, bakit o-order ng steak? Ang mahal-mahal. 1,000 something. It's not sa isang slab ha. It's per gram. So, ilan kaming kumain? 8 packs kami. Yung kanya-kanya pa naming order plus his steak. So, cost us around 27,000.
Grabe.
Oo. So, yung passion ko sa pagluluto, yung passion din niya sa pagluluto, and yung love nila sa pagkain,